money won't matter in 2036.
If that's the case, then how are the greedy people going to agree with that? But let's carry on listening to him. Maybe he has a solution to that.
I'm not sure that the people who bought your shares think that money won't matter in 2036.
Exactly.
What do you want money for? You want money for goods and services, right? You want money for, obviously, food, housing, transport, entertainment. Well, if that is so abundant,
I'm definitely sure that not all the countries are going to agree to do this. So I'm pretty sure he's just assuming. It's not something that's already written down in the future. You know what I'm saying?
there's more.
Of universal income. Otherwise, what do people live off?
I think that the Treasury should just simply issue people checks.
So money will be just printed out, huh? Like paper. It won't have any value. That doesn't make any sense. But let's just carry on hearing what he's saying, gang.
But where's the revenue coming from? I mean, I'm enough of an economist. If you just issue checks, you're going to have inflation.
This is like
even
a lot of what we're
stuttering,
trying
like,
to think about is
he's not sure what he's saying.
these things were relevant in the past. They will not be relevant in the future.
Come in the comment section,
like
Jack.
inflation
you
is simply
think
the ratio of
this is
money
gonna
to
happen for real? No,
to
I
goods and
think this
services.
is
So
just a
if the goods and
facade.
services output increases
on, Elon
dramatically, if it
Musk.
increases,
Come on.
1,000%,
I don't believe
you can
you. I
increase
don't
the.
believe
You can
you.
literally
Sorry, gang.
print
Sorry,
all
I'm
these guys,
sorry. I don't
change the
believe
database.
you. I don't believe that
You create money in the
this is going to
database.
come into existence.
Provided the
While
creation
there
of
are
that
some
money,
countries that don't really.
I'll make a prediction, which is that
I won't lie.
deflation
It's
will be
pretty
the issue, not
promising,
inflation.
but
Because as the output of goods and services increases,
let's just think
if the
about
output
it.
of goods and services
Let's
increases
get
faster than
deep
the money
into our
supply,
thoughts, like,
you will have deflation.
Come on, come on, come on.
I'm
come
perfectly
on.
willing to believe that. You may
It's
well be
just a
right.
statement of
no,
fact.
absolutely,
I mean,
you may well be
Let's give
right.
him the benefits of the doubt.
Deflation will be the
So
issue,
chat,
not inflation.
tell me in the comment section if you think Elon Musk,
Because as the output of goods and services
with his team
increases,
or with his
the
fellow
output of goods and services
colleagues,
increases faster
they
than
will
the money
be
supply,
able
you will have
to put
deflation.
out.
I'm perfectly willing to
But
believe
this is
that.
a
You may
big
well be right.
project
Yeah,
we're
Statement of
talking
fact,
about.
absolutely, you may well be
Getting
right.
rid of money, the paper. You
Deflation
know what I'm
will be
saying?
the issue.
So we're talking about export and
Because
import of
as the
goods,
output of goods and
the
services
minerals
increases,
and everything like that. Do you think
if
other
the output of goods and
countries
services
will
increases
just
faster than the money
agree
supply,
to just
you will
give
have
out
deflation.
minerals for free
I'm perfectly
and
willing
let
to believe
people
that. You
just
may well be
live?
right. Yeah,
Statement of fact.
absolutely,
Okay,
you may
and
well be
everybody
right.
be
It's not that the
rich
people
and
who
all
bought
that.
your shares
I don't think
that
so.
money
But
won't
then
matter in 2030.
Well,
they say
what do you want money for?
everything comes to an
You
end.
want money for
I
goods and
guess
services.
what he's talking
You want
about
money for
is what is
food,
about to
housing,
come to an
transport,
end. So
entertainment.
this is about to be
Well,
a new
if that
era or
is so
something like